Hi, in today's video we're going to be doing a 360 white background video of this beautiful 12 karat aquamarine white gold diamond ring. Now let's get started. Simply place the item into the center of the GemLightbox. The reflector will go on, smartphone in front, tap to focus, brighten up until we get a completely beautiful white background. And as you can see, the aquamarine color has come out very beautifully. I can choose between my angle and speed, so for now let's do a fast 360 degree video. And once I'm ready, simply click to capture. The fast 360 video will give us a 15-second video, and it will do a full rotation of 360 degrees and automatically stop. And finish. Just like that, we've captured a beautiful white background video of this amazing 12 karat aquamarine ring. This is ready to put on your website directly or upload to social media. So let's save that. And now let's take a photo. So for photo, again, very simply zoom in, tap to focus, and brighten up until we get this beautiful white background. And once I'm ready, simply click to capture. And as you can see, the color that we have captured is exactly the same as the color of this aquamarine, which is usually very difficult to achieve. So let's save that and let's have a look at the video as well now. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to reach out.